Are you looking for a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle? Want to track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even get personalized insights on your fitness journey? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Fitbit Versa, from its features to its real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? Let's dig in with what comes up in the packaging. In the box, you'll find the watch with a small band, a charging cable, an additional large band, and a user manual. Charge your watch. To charge your Fitbit Versa, just bring the charging cable close to the back of the watch and it'll snap into place magnetically. Just make sure the pins are lined up. Then, plug it into a USB port or a UL-certified charger. A 12-minute charge gives you up to 24 hours of battery life. For a full charge, it'll take about 1 to 2 hours. Set up with app. First, download the Fitbit app, Apple App Store for iPhones and Google Play Store for Android phones. Install the app and open it. If you already have a Fitbit account, log in to your account. Continue to follow the on-screen instructions to connect Versa. Then tap on the profile circle, go to Set up a device, and select Versa. Choose Switch to Versa. Accept the privacy policy and tap Accept, then charge your device and tap Next. After this, you will receive a 4-digit pairing code. Enter it, and you will be paired successfully. Navigate Versa. Versa has a color AMOLED touchscreen display and one button. The home screen is the clock. Swipe down to see notifications. Swipe up to see your daily stats. Swipe left to see the apps on your watch. Press the button to go back to a previous screen or return to the clock face. Button shortcuts. Press the button to return to the clock face, then press it again to open the app list. Hold the button for 2 seconds to activate Alexa or Fitbit Pay. Double press the button to open shortcuts to your voice assistant, quick settings, notifications, and contactless payment. Adjust the settings. Manage these basic settings in the Settings app. In the Display settings, you can adjust brightness, screen wake, screen timeout, and always on display. In Vibration and Audio, you can adjust vibration and microphone access. Notifications show on red indicators. In Quiet modes, you will find Focus mode, Do Not Disturb, Sleep mode, and Alexa notifications. In Voice Assistant, you can turn the Voice Assistant on or off and adjust audio feedback. To turn off your watch's screen, briefly cover the watch face with your opposite hand or turn your wrist away from your body. Key features: stay motivated with Versa Plus Premium. Get workout insights, real-time stats, and fresh routines. Operates from -14 degrees to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for optimal fitness, daily readiness score, GPS, intensity map, active zone minutes, 24/7 heart rate, 40+ exercise modes, auto tracking, and 50 meters water resistance. Sleep optimization tools, sleep profile, daily sleep stages and score, smart wake alarm in Do Not Disturb mode. With 40+ exercise modes and see your stats in the moment on your watch. Get turn-by-turn directions, pay instantly, and save time with Google Maps and Google Wallet on your wrist. Beyond with the thin, lightweight design. Check your daily readiness score to see if you are up for a challenging workout. Activity and wellness. Versa continuously tracks a variety of stats whenever you wear it, including hourly activity, heart rate, and sleep. Data automatically syncs with the Fitbit app throughout the day. Versa tracks your heart rate throughout the day. Swipe up from the clock face to see your real-time heart rate and your resting heart rate. Bits of Google. There is a Fitbit app that Google technically owns, and you do get stuff like Google Wallet. So you are going to make payments with Versa using your wrist. And of course, it can integrate with Health Connect. So, how can you use it? Follow these steps. Change your default card. Force restart. To restart your watch, press and hold the button for 10 seconds until you see the Fitbit logo on the screen, and then release the button. Restarting your watch doesn't delete any data. Specifications. Troubleshooting. Heart rate signal missing. GPS signal missing. Environmental conditions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Fitbit Versa. See you in the next one.